Alternators are essential components that convert mechanical energy from the engine into electrical energy to charge the battery and power all electrical systems in your vehicle. The number of pins on an alternator indicates the level of control and communication it has with the vehicle's computer systems. Let's start with the basic 3-pin alternator system, commonly found in older vehicles before the year 2000. The 3-pin system has 3 essential connections. Pin 1, marked B+, connects directly to the battery positive terminal for main power output. Pin 2, marked D+, is the ignition or excitation wire that provides initial field current to start the charging process. Pin 3, marked D-, provides the ground connection to complete the electrical circuit to the vehicle chassis. The 4-pin alternator system provides enhanced control and is commonly found in mid-range vehicles from 2000 to 2015. The 4-pin system retains the basic B+ and D+ connections, but adds 2 new pins for enhanced functionality. Pin 3, marked W, provides a stator output signal that can be used for tachometer readings, giving the engine computer RPM information. Pin 4, marked DF, controls the alternator's field current, allowing for more precise voltage regulation based on electrical demand. The most advanced 5-pin alternator systems are found in modern vehicles from 2015 onwards and luxury models, offering the highest level of control and communication. Here we can see a real 5-pin alternator wiring diagram showing the complexity of modern charging systems. The 5-pin system includes all previous functions plus pin 5, marked L, which handles load response or direct communication with the vehicle's engine control unit. This advanced communication allows the alternator to adjust its output based on real-time electrical demands, improving fuel efficiency and battery life. Understanding these pin configurations is essential for proper diagnosis and maintenance of your vehicle's charging system. Each configuration serves different vehicle requirements, from basic charging in older cars to sophisticated computer-controlled systems in modern vehicles. When working with alternator wiring, 3 critical principles ensure safe and reliable operation. First, voltage drop in the charging circuit must stay below 0.5 volts to maintain proper charging performance. Second, use the correct wire gauge. The main output typically requires 8 to 4 AWG wire, depending on the alternator's amperage rating. Thicker wire carries more current safely. Third, always use fusing protection to protect the main charging circuit. Fuses or fusible links prevent dangerous overcurrent conditions that could damage wiring or cause fires. Modern alternators are evolving rapidly with smart technology. Computer-controlled alternators are becoming standard in vehicles from 2023 to 2025, featuring variable output that adjusts to engine load, battery state, and electrical demand. Many new systems integrate with hybrid vehicles using DC-DC converters. These converters manage power flow between high-voltage hybrid batteries and the traditional 12-volt electrical system. Advanced alternators communicate with the vehicle's ECU through the CAN bus network. This allows real-time monitoring and control of charging parameters for optimal efficiency and battery life. Emerging technologies include 48-volt systems for mild hybrid applications and alternators that double as motor generators in start-stop systems. These innovations improve efficiency and enable advanced features like regenerative braking.